Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I wanted to share with you guys a couple of items that came in the mail today from Pinch Me. If you're not familiar, Pinch Me is a sample site that you go on. It's pinchme.com, like pinchme.com, and you fill out a pretty extensive questionnaire about products that you use, products that you're interested in, the demographics of your family, you know, if you have dogs and cats, and what kind of food you might give them, and your likes and dislikes of hobbies, all of that kind of stuff. A pretty extensive questionnaire. And then once a month on Pinch Me Tuesday, which I believe is the second or third Tuesday of the month, I'm not sure, I always miss it, so it doesn't matter, but they do notify you when it is Pinch Me Tuesday, but I always miss it, or I don't get picked for stuff. But what I mean to say is that you fill out this questionnaire, and then you can select up to 4 items on Pinch Me Tuesday that are catered towards your interests. And so this particular thing I'm going to share with you today was from February. So it's like the second week of February, so it takes about 6 weeks to get to you. So when you do this, don't expect it to be in the mail. Like, you'll forget about it and all of a sudden open your mailbox and be, oh my God. So yeah, it takes a long time to get to you, but fill out the questionnaire. It is extensive, but it's all free, so what does it matter, right? And then you go back on when you have got the item and, you know, used it or what have you, and do a review about it. What I mean about not getting picked for things are like, I'll see a bunch of people get picked for like CoverGirl makeup, I think, which is what last month everybody's hot over that, and I didn't get picked for it. But on the same token, I didn't get on in time. So it's incredibly important that you get on the second it goes live. The Pinch Me Tuesdays are noon Eastern time and 9 a.m. Western time. And if you're like a half hour late, the samples that you might have been chosen for are gone. I mean, it's serious, limited quantity, and people pick them right away, so you have to be right on top of it. Just like the Target beauty boxes, when they go live at like 2 a.m., you got to get right away. That's exactly what happens with these Pinch Me things. So these items I just happened to have gotten in February, and one is like a repeat, so it's kind of an interesting thing. So the first thing first, I also wanted to go over 2 other things. Number one, I've been requested by 2 ladies or 1 lady twice. Anyway, to do a like a makeup tutorial, which I keep joking that it would be the fastest video you've ever seen me put out, because I spend like 5 minutes putting my makeup on, and I'm not good at it, as you can tell. But you know, whatever, I'll share that with you guys. And I thought at the same time I could do a question and answer, that way it could last a little bit longer and you guys can get to know me better. Although, like I've shared, you know, TMI about too many things, but like, you guys know my DNA, but you don't know much about me. So if you have any questions that you would like me to answer, or know fun things, or if you're interested in cats or dogs or California or Ireland, whatever, let me know. We'll just put it in the comments and I'll answer those questions. I think I'm going to do the video on Sunday because we don't have anything going on that day. So I'll put it up probably Sunday night. So without further ado, these are the items that I got in the mail today. I have 4 cats. I have 3 myself, and my son has 1, which when he was in college, you know, he stayed home with us because you couldn't have animals there. So we've pretty much raised our grand kitty. But we have 4 cats in the household, and so I got selected to do a review of Purina One True Instinct Natural Grain Free with real ocean white fish plus vitamins and minerals. Now we only use Purina One, but we use the urinary food because all of our cats are spayed. Well, we only have 1 girl, so she's spayed, and all the boys are neutered, and they typically can get urinary crystals because of a neutered male. It's a common problem. So we've only, their entire lives after they got through the kitten stage, have only used Purina One, but the urinary tract food. So when you give them anything else, like I can see that there's a difference in their behavior. They get whiny and cryy, and you know, their litter box is not friendly. So I probably can't use this, or if anything, maybe use it as a treat, put it in one of their treat balls so they can play with it, but they cannot eat this as a regular food. But I absolutely only use Purina One. It's just a different product. So yeah, I'll probably use this in like one of their treat balls, and that way they're just getting a little bit of it, not actually their meal. So yeah, that's what I'll do. Love Purina One. I'm sure there's probably a coupon in there. Oh yeah, free sample and savings inside. Oh yeah. It's very tightly packaged. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's a little bag of food. 6 ounces. So yeah, I'll just put this in a treat ball. It looks like it's kind of small, little bites, so that'll be perfect. They don't, another weird thing, I don't know if this is normal or, like, what does a cat eat in the wild? I'm sure they don't like hunt for fish, because my cats hate fish, but they do love chicken. Like, that's their most favorite thing in all the world. So anyway, here's a Tidy Cat coupon. That's pretty good, $2 off coupon. We don't use this kind of litter. We use a it's a machine thing that has these pellets. So, but whatever. My daughter does use Tidy Cats. Oh, this is fantastic. So this is a $3 coupon off Purina One, which, you know, is again their cat food that they use, and it's off any bag. So that's fantastic. So $3 off any 3.5 pound or bigger. So, and because we have 4, we get the big bag in once a month. Anyway, so that's a good food. Good, fantastic coupon. Okay, so this is a weird thing. I got picked by Pinch Me to do Clairol, and you just had to, I think like probably everybody I knew got picked to do the Clairol thing. So you had to like go onto the Pinch Me site, and then, what is it called? You go on and they like ask you to pick a color, I guess. So I don't know, I haven't colored my hair in a very long time. So I don't really have a preference. So I went light mocha brown, apparently. And so this is Clairol, nice and easy. It's new and improved, 100% gray coverage, which I get these really bad gray things right there. Blend of tones and highlights. But, so this came today from them, from Pinch Me. But for some reason, when I'd gone onto the website, Clairol instead sent me this like right after I went on the website. So remember I told you it takes like 6 weeks to come in the mail? Well, when I went onto the Pinch Me website, it transferred you over to like do a Clairol questionnaire and pick your box of color. So this is through Pinch Me, through Clairol, right? But when I did that, I clicked on it, and it, for some reason, they sent me this instead right away. So right away I got this in the mail, which I thought was what I was expecting. I thought, well, that's weird. Why'd they make me pick a color if they were just going to send me this? This is an adorable little, like adorable little pamphlet here. You just open it up. It has a scratch and sieve, and it smells really good. So I don't know if the hair coloring smells like that, but it smells really good. And so it was like a little invitation with this coupon here for $6.99 to go buy a box of Clairol. So I thought that's what this was all about. So I went and, oh, and this is something I didn't notice until I went to put it away. They even give you a free hair tie. So that's fantastic, a cute little free hair tie. So I went to Target, used the $6.99 coupon, and bought a box of Clairol. So I didn't know, I don't know what happened, but whatever. So now I have 2 boxes. Interestingly enough, I went medium golden brown, which this is the one I bought at Target with the coupon, and this is the one that I had picked, which was a limited selection on the Clairol website from Pinch Me. So now I have 2 boxes of hair color. They're kind of similar. I know this one here, see the reds in it? The red in my hair is just gonna go blah, it's gonna stick out a lot. So I'll probably maybe use this in the summer, maybe use this more, you know, before summer comes fully, because it doesn't look like it has a lot of red tone in it. But anyway, so through Pinch Me, I got 2 boxes of Clairol hair coloring through the Pinch Me website, I guess, which redirected me to Clairol, and then this bag of Purina One cat food. So that's it. I mean, a lot of people, again, you get 4 items. I only got 2, but then I got that 3rd one. So anyway, I didn't get picked for anything this month because I was late, as per usual. So anyway, give me the questions that you'd like me to answer in the comments. Go check out pinchme.com. It's fantastic. Again, it's free. Just fill out a very extensive questionnaire, and then you have to update your questionnaire often, and they'll remind you of when the Pinch Me Tuesdays are, and they'll remind you when it's time to update your questionnaire, because they might have a product that you might be interested in, but they want you to update your questionnaire. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll hopefully get some questions from you guys and be able to answer those on Sunday. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.